Are you tired of dealing with complicated software and technical issues when it comes to live podcasting? Introducing StreamYard, the ultimate solution for hassle-free live podcasting. With StreamYard, you can go live in just a matter of seconds with its easy-to-use interface. Say goodbye to complex setups and hello to a streamlined experience with StreamYard. One of the biggest benefits of using StreamYard for your live podcast is its multi-streaming capabilities. Stream your podcast to multiple platforms simultaneously and reach a wider audience with just a few clicks. Not only does StreamYard save you time and effort, but it also provides high-quality audio and video. Engage with your audience in real time through StreamYard's built-in live chat feature. Customize your live podcast with branded overlays, logos, and lower thirds to create a professional look. StreamYard offers a variety of layout options, allowing you to display multiple guests on your podcast. Interviewing guests from remote locations is a breeze with StreamYard's remote video capabilities. Easily share your screen with viewers to showcase presentations, videos, and other media during your podcast. Streaming your podcast has never been easier. All you need is a stable internet connection in StreamYard. With StreamYard, you don't have to worry about technical difficulties that could jeopardize your podcast. Experience smooth and uninterrupted live streaming with StreamYard's advanced technology. Don't let complex software hold you back from creating your dream podcast. Choose StreamYard. StreamYard is trusted by thousands of podcasters around the world for its reliability and ease of use. Not only is StreamYard the best podcast software, but it also offers excellent customer support. If you encounter any issues, StreamYard's team is dedicated to providing prompt assistance. Take your live podcast to the next level with StreamYard's professional features and user-friendly interface. StreamYard empowers you to focus on what truly matters, delivering valuable content to your audience. Some text goes here, so why wait? Try StreamYard today and revolutionize your live podcasting experience.